have upgraded the fog light setup, and from HIDs now it is LEDs, and this is just the fog light that is on right now. This is how bright it is. Now I have switched on the low beam, so the low beam is on right now, and low beam is HID. So yeah, this is the low beam, and this is the LED high beam, and this is just the LED fog. So these are just the fog. These are the LED fog lights. You can see the coverage. This is the HID low beam, and this is the high beam. So now I'll take it on the main road to see how this performs with oncoming traffic lights. So this is completely off. This is the fog light, and this is the low beam, and this is the high beam. So this is just the fog light, the low beam, high beam. So this is the low beam and the fog lights that are currently on, and you can see how the performance is. So this is just the fog light right now, just the fog, low beam, and this is the high beam. So this is the fog and the low beam on. So this is the oncoming traffic, but still our lights are clear, so visibility is still clear, and there's some more traffic coming further. We'll have a look there also how it looks. So now the vehicle is in high beam for all the high beamers ahead. Back to low beam plus fogs on. So yeah, this is how clear the lights are. This is the fog plus low beam that you can see right now, and this is the high beam. This is the high beam on, this is the low beam and fog, this is just the fog, low beam and fog, high beam. Low beam plus fog. The road is crystal clear. This is the fog off. This is just the low beam. I had not shown this before. This is just the low beam, and this is the fog light. So now you can see on the corners of the road the amount of light that's spread, even on the markings on the road ahead, the sign marks. These are the LED fog lights. This is just the low beam that is on right now, and this is the high beam, and now this is low beam plus LED fogs. Both the sides, the corners of the roads are well lit, well visible, and the road ahead also is crystal clear right now.